here's the first step of what you guys should do when you start working on a website at 48 and 48. First, obviously log in, but we want to go to the dashboard. By default, we're using probably the 2017 theme, and some sites might be set up slightly differently depending on who was working on the site before. But we should be able to go to Appearance and then Themes. Make sure that you are using the Beaver Builder theme. Activate it. That'll give us, obviously, a new theme. And then we want to go to some of these settings and make sure that some of the plugins, some of the basic plugins are active. All right, there's a few that we want to activate just to make sure that we have all the Beaver Builder stuff. I'm going to hit activate the plugin, which is basically the page builder, the Beaver Builder themer that will allow us to customize the header and the footer. And then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom here and activate the ultimate add-ons for Beaver Builder. And I'm going to hit activate. All right, that will have activated them. And then if you ever see this, a plugin that says it needs to be updated, you guys don't need to worry about that because the platform that 48 and 48 is built on, the plugins will be updated and maintained by us. So the next thing we want to do is go into Settings. Make sure that you're using the dates. I know this year we're going to London for the first time, and the date format might be different than what people in Europe would expect. So customize that, and then we want to go to Reading, and we want to create a couple pages before we edit this. So I'm actually going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to Add New. I'm going to add a new page. We're going to call this Home. You can guess what that is for. Then we're going to add one more, and we're going to call that Blog. And I'm assuming that most sites are going to have a blog. If not, it's okay. You can still create this. Going to hit Publish. Then I'll go back over here and hit Refresh. And so now we can assign a home page to a specific page, and then the post page. Posts basically are blog posts. So I will check here, then I will select Home and Blog and hit Save. One more thing, make sure that on Sunday night at 48 and 48 that we uncheck this discourage search engine optimization, so things can be indexed by Google and other search engines if they exist. And hit Save. And that is where you want to begin. So now we have pages here. Now you'll have the blog page and then the home page, and you can just go in. Obviously these are special titles here, so you just assign them the front page and the post page by going into the general here.